robbery at the casino district. Sending units to investigate.
Miller.
You're doing this now?
Jess! Tyler, you got a minute?
Tyler? Hey, stay on the tarp. If you bleed on the seat, I swear to God. Hey, Ty, really not a great time. Sorry.
Jess, wait. I got a plan.
6 months later and the first time I hear from you, you need something from me?
Jess,
Tyler, seriously, I'm a bit busy right now.
Confirmed robbery in casino district. Vehicle is a black Audi. One subject with possible GSW. Last seen heading north on Coolidge Street.
Adam 35, confirm control, on the lookout.
God damn it, Tyler. I told you this isn't a good time.
Yeah, what the hell, Tyler?
Let me talk to her. Hey, Jess.
Mac? Ty must be really desperate if he's pulling you in.
Nah, you know me. Just in it for the giggles.
Is this where you pitch me Tyler's plan?
No way. Wouldn't do it if I were you. He wants to take on Lena.
Lena? She's with the house now. Jesus Christ, you two. No way. I'm out.
How far?
Cut the waterworks. We're almost there.
Damn, here already? You really are an escape artist.
It's what you pay me for. Tell the guy Jess sent you. He'll patch you up.
Repeat. Suspects last seen in black Audi. Radio in with location.
Adam 35, we have a possible match on North Carson Street.
Copy that. Sending additional units.
Put Mac on.
Look, Jess, this plan is foolproof. All we need is your...
Ty, Lena and the house. Put Mac on.
Can't help yourself, can ya? You're interested.
The plan. How insane is it?
Oh, man, it's mad. Cop chases, stunts, crazy heists. Nothing up your alley.
Lena alone screwed us 6 months ago. Now you want to take her on with the house? Look what happened to Rav.
It'll be different this time. For the three of us, we could do it.
The whole crew back together, huh?
Come back, Jess. Let's do this.
Tell him I'll think about it.
Suspect's car last seen heading northbound to Liberty Desert.
1 Adam 13 en route. Adam 13 to control, I located the black Audi. Show me in pursuit, requesting backup.
Copy that. Sending additional units your way.
I built this ride just for you boys. Let's dance.
What is your location of travel now?
Now heading westbound to Boonville.
How about that?
They're trying to take me out, control. The subject rammed my unit.
Copy. Control units, be aware of potential collisions with the subject.
L30, I've dropped behind. I'm out of pursuit for now.
Yeah, the subject is now southbound on I-34 Amber Valley Parkway.
Copy. Subject vehicle going southbound on I-34 Amber Valley Parkway.
Control, they stopped. Subject just hit the barricade.
813, we're gonna need a tow. Our vehicle isn't moving.
Copy that.
Subject now southbound on Silver Rock Beltway.
Copy that, Adam 6.
Now heading eastbound, approaching Silver Rock West.
Copy.
One Adam 6. Subject out of our line of sight. Now head westbound approaching Lakeside.
Copy. Subject.
This is 1 Adam 6. Subject on the way.
Jess, hey.
So, about this stupid plan of yours.
It's not... Yeah?
Let's meet. Where are you?
This is the dumbest plan I ever heard. I left the game because of crap like this.
The best crew in town always gets a racer in the rush. So all we have to do is beat all the Silver Rock street leagues and I'm in. Mac will handle the off-road and drift. I'll do the rest.
What about the house? They control every dirty deal in town.
Well, that's where you come in. They'll have a bulletproof setup. Talk to your underworld contacts, figure out what it is, then we take it out.
So, win the race, watch the house burn while we count our piles of cash.
Simple.
Fame, fortune, Leah Navarro getting what she deserves. You idiots are gonna get yourselves killed without me. Guess I'm in.
Yes!
Raph? You know we can't pull this off without our master engineer.
You're so full of it. If you're that desperate, I'm in as well, and you can use my garage, but there are a few conditions. First...
Woo! The crew's back together, baby.
Serenity now. Either of you fools even have a car?
Oh, I
stick
sort of
to it on
lost
that spec.
mine. It's
It was a
a
sure
long
thing.
story.
Seriously? There are cars in the back. Clients who never paid. I'm surrounded by... Good old 87 Buick GNX. Now there's a badass car. This one can still... The Mark 1... The S2000 Honda's homage to the roadsters of this... Good choice. Nothing compared to my rides, but it'll do.
I thought all you did was tune them up.
All right, you just earned yourself an ass-kicking. How'd you like that 0 to 60?
Not bad. Let's see if it's enough to keep you in the lead.
Come on, Tyler, race me. This ain't valet parking. 6 months, Tyler. What were you doing out there?
That was the deal. Work for the gambler or go to jail.
What's changed now?
He had plans for me, but I convinced him mine were better. So here we are.
Tyler, you know I'm done with that life. We had a good run, but I'm a mechanic. I've got a good thing going out here.
She double-crossed us, Raph. You don't want to see her stopped?
Man, I'd still give anything to see what's under the hood of that Koenigsegg. But I'm done being angry. I found my peace.
Well, I'm happy for you, I guess. I got this. You're not holding back, are you? Please don't hold back.
Oh, I won't. This won't end with Navarro, right? You know who she works for, what she represents. No one has ever gone up against the house and won. You know that.
First time for everything. Guess it's back to the garage with you. Skill always wins over raw power.